Hello friends, myself Nitin Khandare, and today we are going to discuss the topic regarding the Buckow's relay. Now, Buckow is a very simple form of the relay which is used for protection of a oil immersed transformer. The Buckow's relay is always connected in between the main transformer tank and the conservator tank. Conservator tank is the tank which is used for maintaining the oil level in the transformer tank as 100%. So, there's the transformer tank which is connected with a connecting pipe which is furtherly carried to the conservator tank, but in between the main tank and the conservator tank we are connecting the Buckow's relay here. That is, then the output of the Buckow's relay, that is second terminal of it, is connected with the conservator tank. So this is the simple construction as well as the location of the Buckow's relay. Buckow's relay protects the transformer from the two types of fault, that is rapid acting faults as well as the incipient faults. So we will discuss the construction of it as well as the operating principle also. So this is the Buckow's relay whose tank is always filled 100% with the transformer oil. Two outlets are there. So two cocks are provided there, one at the bottom which is called as a test cock. The test cock is utilized for always testing the quality of the transformer oil. Then the second cock is provided at the top of the vessel, which is called as the release cock. The release cock is utilized for releasing the gases which are deposited during the operation of the incipient faults. Next component is nothing but the float, and along with the float we are connecting one mercury switch. Mercury switch is a simple form of the switch which is having the mercury level inside the tube as well as having the two terminals. Then the two terminals of the mercury switch are connected with an alarm system. If the incipient faults are there, then an alarm rings there which identifies the incipient fault which may occur inside the transformer. Then second system is called as the hinge flap system. Again one mercury switch is connected with that, and the output of the second mercury switch is connected with the trip circuit. The top system is connected for the incipient fault, and the bottom system, that is the flap system, is used for protecting against the rapid acting faults. So this is the hinge point. The next component is nothing but the flap which is connected in between the flow of the transformer oil. Then from the left hand side we will connect the transformer tank, whereas the right hand side end will be connected with the conservator tank. So this is the construction of the Buckow's relay. Now we will see the operation of it. If an incipient fault occurs inside the main transformer, the incipient faults are nothing but the slowly acting faults which can't be identified easily, but they will be recognized when a large damage will be there. So for protecting the transformer from that incipient faults we are using this system. Now whenever the incipient faults occurs inside the transformer tank, obviously it increases the oil temperature level of the transformer oil. Due to that the evaporation of the oil takes place, and that's why the hydrogen gas can be elaborated. At that hydrogen gas get released, that will be flow towards the conservator tank for releasing into the atmosphere, but it will, in between that we are having a trap called as the Buckow's relay. So what happens here, the gas will be entered inside this system, but due to this flap it will be diverted upward towards the upward section. As well as this gas flows towards the upward dome, then it deposits here, and as the gas gathers there, the float will be lowered down like this. So the float lowers down here, and when the float lowers down here, both of the contacts of the mercury switch get closed, and alarm rings there, and due to the ringing of the alarm the operator comes to know that any type of the incipient fault is occurring inside the transformer tank. So the immediate action can be taken for protecting the transformer from the further damage. If a fast acting fault will be takes place inside the transformer, then the transformer oil start to boil, due to which the volume of the transformer oil get increases, and that's why the transformer oil rushes towards the conservator tank rapidly. And at that time, what happens, it rushes towards the conservator tank, but the flap is inside it, and that flap will be pushed. Due to that, the mercury switch contacts will be get closed, and that closing of the mercury switch contacts gives the signal to the trip circuit, and the circuit breaker can be tripped. In this manner, the Buckos relay protects the transformer from the incipient, that is the slowly acting faults, as well as the rapid acting faults. Now the and disadvantages of the Buckos relay. Two advantages are there. First advantage is that it is a simplest form of the transformer protection, and second, it detects the incipient fault in much earlier stage than the possible in the other form of protection. And the disadvantages are, it is the only device which is used in case of the oil immersed transformers which are equipped with the conservator tank. If conservator tanks will not be there, we can't apply the Buckos relay. As well as, this device detects only the fault below the oil level. Above the oil level fault can't be detected by using the Buckos relay, and for that purpose, for protecting the connecting cables, we have to apply the other level of the protection. Thank you.